my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today I'm going to be opening a order from Kellofaplan. So let me go ahead and do that with you guys. So I ordered multiple books. Yep, okay. So let's do that. I have the birthday month florals, I love winter, and the seasonal stickers. So let me share those with you. We're going to start with the seasonal stickers and go from there. So this is Seasonal Stickers 2025 planner set. There's a dent in there. As always, it starts with her boxes. So we have pink, blue, yellow, and black. Very interesting cover choice. Okay, and then we have New Year's Eve and New Year's, and this is super cute. So you get 2 pages of these decorative stickers. Then we have the next one is Valentine's Day. Very, very cute as well. Pastel-like, but very adorable. St. Patty's Day. Look at that. So same 2 pages of every graphic. 1 page of boxes though. I'm assuming Easter, yep, okay. So you're gonna get all the holidays, which is fantastic. Then this one is summer, I don't know. More summer. Summer means happy times and sunshine. More summer, that's amazing. And then we get into fall, or at least to me it seems like fall. So is this. Look at the color scheme, so different, right? This is Halloween. She didn't do 4th of July, you guys. Okay. Then we have Thanksgiving. Oh, I love the fridge with all the stuff and the turkey. That is wonderful. Then we have Christmas. Okay, and then we have all of the things. New Year's, Martin Luther King Day, Valentine's Day, Chinese New Year, President's Day, Mardi Gras, St. Patrick's Day, first day of spring, Palm Sunday, Passover, I don't know how to even say that, Earth Day, God Friday, Ramadan, Mother's Day, Memorial Day, Cinco de Mayo, Easter, first day of summer, 4th of July, Juneteenth, Eid al-Adha, I don't know, Father's Day, Rosh Hashanah, Indigenous Peoples Day, Labor Day, first day of fall, Yom Kippur, Halloween, Dia los Muertos, Black Friday, Veterans Day, first day of winter, Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Kwanzaa, first day of Hanukkah, last day of Hanukkah. So you get 2 pages of that. And then you get some quotes. Happy Father's Day, Happy 4th of July, summer means happy times and sunshine, and happy fall, y'all. So little quotes like that, which is great because this book is really, really full of stuff. Like I said, the only thing I'm missing is kind of the 4th of July, but that's okay. I can live with that. So that's the first. This was the Seasonal Stickers 2025 planner set. Super cute. Next, actually, let's do the birthday month florals. I don't know what to expect from this one. So obviously we have boxes, checklists, bullet points. Oh, look at this. January. It's a carnation. So you get 2 pages of those. February is purple, and those are violets. Okay. Let's see what March is. March is daffodils. Makes sense because it's spring. Then April. Oh, daisies. These are cute. Okay. May is Lily of the Valley. These are beautiful. I love lilies of the valley. What is June? June's are roses. Larkspur for July. These are stunning. August is gladiolas. I didn't know that. September is asters. They're almost like daisies, you guys, which I love them. October are marigolds. November are chrysanthemums, which are stunning. And December are narcissus. That's cute. Okay. And then you have all of these in the back. So January, February, March, all the months. And then you have them again in a smaller form. And you get 2 pages of that. And then you get happy birthday, some months, and boxes. And you get 2 pages of that. So those are birthday month florals by Kellofaplan. I don't know how, 40 sheets. And this one was, the previous one was also 40 sheets. So yeah. This one is 50 sheets and it says I Love Winter by Kellofaplan. So let's see what she came up with here. So you get boxes and bullet points and checklists, and then you get decorative boxes. Oh, this is so pretty. And more bullet points. And then you get graphics. Look at these girls. I love them. And then you get a different page on the second page, and this is black and brown, and I think it's so stunning. You also get flowers. Winter is my favorite. Appreciate the beauty of a snowflake. Baby, it's cold outside. Yeah, so this all matches. Then we have this color scheme. Okay, so we have hats and hot cocoa and snow and marshmallows and stuff like that. Keeping it cozy, super cute. So these are great for like January and February. Once you're done with Christmas, this will be such a great book to have, to be able to do winter spreads without necessarily including Christmas. This color scheme, I already like. The blue and the brown are always a good thing. So decorative stickers. And then look at this. Ah, so cozy. Super cute. Fireplace. Just cozy up. And then, of course, you get flowers with this too. This color scheme is also pretty with the navies, the grays. Look at this. Oh, yeah. This is cute. I think we had this in Level of Posh last year. Yes, we did. So, yeah, but now you also have flowers that come with this. So, kind of cool. Then the navy and the pink. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Yes, please. Yeah, I really like that these are not Christmas only. So, actually not Christmas at all. Then you have New Year's. Look at that. That's cool. Is this the same? No, it's not. And these are unclear, you guys. The boxes are on paper, the rest is unclear, which is kind of nice. Then you have this, which is red, so I'm assuming Valentine's Day. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at this. Okay, then we have the blues and brown. Oh my gosh, I love this color scheme. Like the dark blues and the light blues. Like I just got goosebumps. This is stunning. I love the coziness of this. Can't wait to use it already. And we have this. Yep, I have this from Etsy, I think. Yep, I do. I have this whole set from Etsy from like many years ago. I love it. I'm glad she included this, including the flowers. That's exactly what I have. And yeah, this is gorgeous as well. And look at this. See? Oh yeah, this is gorgeous. And then some green. So yeah, this is I Love Winter. And like I said, we also went through birthday month florals and seasonal stickers. So I hope you liked it. Those two are 40 pages. This one is 50. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know which one's your favorite. I think the winter won me over this time. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye.